Hello, welcome to Talkmania. Hope you guys are doing well. So, we are making this video today because through my mobile itself, as I do not have any proper setup to make a video. However, this is the first video of our channel, and initially, when I started thinking of making a YouTube channel, it was all about some cars and bikes because I'm quite fanatic about that. However, I did not uh, set up my mind at that point of time. So this is the first time and this is the first video of our channel, and hope you find this video informational and helpful for you all. So basically, I'm making this video during this lockdown period as especially boys or men, whatever would like to say, जो कि इस लॉकडाउन पीरियड में भी घर पे ही हैं, वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर रहे हैं. बट as you know that salons and this kind of shops those are not open right as of now. So अभी हमारे बाल दाढ़ी सब कंटिन्यूसली बढ़े ही जा रहे हैं. So many of us I hope we are thinking that how to trim. I mean, is it a proper time to purchase a trimmer or not? So recently I bought one from Flipkart, and that is a little bit, you can say that this is a budget oriented trimmer, between 1000 rupees to 2000 rupees itself. So my motive was to get something like that which would be much more value for money, which will have little bit of setups, or at least a few setups more than the regular trimmers that we get in this budget. So luckily Xiaomi has launched one. Okay, and I hope many people have already seen many videos of that particular trimmer. However, in this video I would like to show you the unboxing of that product which I have recently got from Flipkart, and it was a very good delivery process throughout from the very beginning of my order journey. So thank you for Flipkart for that. And apart from that, I would like to tell you that this particular trimmer which I have got is very good in terms of features, because it has stainless steel blades which are already self-sharpening, so you don't need to sharpen them on. And other than that, we have I mean much more setups, or I mean lengthwise you can say, rather than a normal beard trimmer which we get from many other brands. I would not compare any brands with this, but yeah, this particular trimmer has a lot of USPs in terms of its features. So first of all, let me show you the box. So this is the box I have with me right now, and let's unbox this. Hey, so this is the box which I have got from Flipkart. So I have already unboxed it and literally used it already, but still this is another unboxing for all of you guys who have not gone through the unboxing of this particular trimmer. So you guys can actually see the packaging looks very good, and we have few features written over it. Let me just read it out for you. So we have total 40 length settings, so which is not very common in this price range. Apart from that, we can actually, this is a fast charging, this comes with fast charging, so that is the reason we can charge this trimmer from 0 to 100% in just 2 hours. And cordless use of this particular trimmer is around 90 minutes. So I haven't tested through, but I haven't charged this trimmer once itself. So let's see how it goes. So at the very beginning we get another box inside this, and apart from this we have some quick start guide which I would like to show you. This looks like this. I hope it is visible, right? So we have a few instructions here and there that how to set two combs inside the beard trimmer. Apart from that, how to open up the blade and how to clean it. And apart from that, I would like to tell you one more thing, that this actually comes with IPX7 washable body. So this is almost I mean, you can say it's water resistant, so you can definitely open up the blade and wash the entire trimmer. So it will be helpful for you guys to clean up this trimmer. And I have also got the bills inside, which has come to Flipkart. And let me tell you the price at the very beginning. The price of the trimmer is only 1199 rupees, so it's 1200 rupees almost, and it is easily available at Flipkart, so you can definitely offer that. And the very important thing that I would like to tell you, that trimmer actually comes under the essential services. So I hope everyone is surfing through Flipkart's, Amazon and many more websites in order to get deliveries for groceries and many more items. However, as I would like to tell you that I am living in one of our red zones. Sorry. So that is the reason, I was, initially I was thinking that maybe I won't be able to get the delivery of this product. However, fortunately Flipkart has delivered me. Thank you very much Flipkart for that once again. So first of all, we get this trimmer inside this very premium quality packet. It's a plastic one, don't worry. So this is the trimmer that I would like to see all. So it has two combs that comes inbuilt inside this pack. So this is the smaller one which is already attached to it. Let me keep this aside. And we have the secondary and larger comb for this trimmer. This is the second item. And we have few more things. We have an USB charging cable, which you can charge it through your power banks, normal chargers, and we get this kind of ports. You can see. I hope it is visible, right? And this trimmer comes with this kind of ports. Okay. Let me show you two more things are there inside this package. That is the brush just to clean the trimmer. Looks very cute and small in size. And the last thing, which is a very interesting thing, which will help you to carry out this or carry this particular trimmer while you are traveling, is a premium looking pouch, right? And you would be able to see that MI logo is already embedded on that. So it's a very cool and premium thing that we are getting. So let's just keep these things aside right now for this time being. And let me show you few here and there tips for this particular trimmer. Yep. So as you can see that there is a knob, and you won't be able to just roll out this knob, because this is a little bit on the harder side, which actually signifies the quality of this particular product, and it actually feels very premium when you hold this product in your hand. Apart from that, we have this power button this side. This is a smaller size comb, and inside that we have a stainless steel blade. So let me just open it up, and there is a process to open this. I have actually 20 settings inside this particular toggle. So if I just rotate this, you would be able to see, if I rotate this, total 20 settings are there. However, numbering has been done till 10, but there is every single dot or every single measurement is there in between every number. Like between 1 and 2 there is another setting. Okay, so it's 20 settings altogether, and to just open it up, okay, see, it's lengthwise it is increasing, right? So to particularly unlock any comb or remove every comb from this particular trimmer, I have to set it to the optimum level and just see. this is a very strong material, you can say, because this is made of plastic. However, this is not very strong, but the fitment is very good, that I would like to show you. Now I can easily set this foam to this particular setting, right? Now you can see that when I'm just toggling through this settings, it's actually decreasing or increasing the length, right? So till the optimum one, I've just removed this, right? And there you can open up this particular blade also. What you need to do, just then again you can put it back very easily. It's very easy process. Right. So if you press the power button, we have 3 LED lights to show you the battery percentage. So once it is all the 3 lights are glowing, then you can easily understand that you have already full charge. So as you can see that this trimmer already has full charge, and I have never charged it after getting delivered. So one more thing I would like to tell you, that this trimmer comes equipped with a travel feature, like whenever you are traveling and it's kept in your box. So if this button gets pressed, the trimmer might start working inside the box itself, and it might actually cut down the package also, which we have bought with this inside the box. So what Xiaomi has done, it has provided a travel feature or a travel safety mode inside this particular trimmer embedded already. So you have to long press this particular power button, right? And see, you have noticed that 3 LEDs blink. Right now, if I press this button, see, the trimmer is not starting, right? So once I have to entirely long press this trimmer once again, and you can see that the trimmer is now on. Right now if I press, it's on. But if I am traveling to anywhere and it's kept inside my any luggage, and due to some pressure or something, if this particular gets the power button gets pressed, the trimmer would not be started if I just press it and activate the travel feature or traveling mode on. So that's a very nice thing that Xiaomi has kept in mind, and this is a very handy trick. So that's all about this, and I hope you found this video very informational and about this trimmer. So I think that between 1000 rupees and 2000 rupees, this particular trimmer makes a lot of sense in terms of the features that it comes with. And one more thing, that it comes with, as I already mentioned before, that it actually comes with some IPX7 ratings that is already written on the box, so you can definitely wash it, clean it everywhere without any hassle. And this actually comes with stainless steel self-sharpening blades. That actually makes a lot of sense. So the life of that particular blade, it would be very long lasting rather than a regular trimmer that you can get in this gadget. So that's a very cool thing. And that's all for today, and I believe you found this video very useful. So if you find this video very useful, then in that case you can definitely like this video, share with your friends, and definitely I will provide you the link to purchase this particular product from Flipkart, or you can definitely go to Flipkart from your smartphone and purchase this product. And one more thing I would like to tell you, that I would try to bring a few more vlogs on different topics, but I would request you, if you like this video or if you find this video very informational, so I would definitely like to get a response from you guys in terms of your preferences and what kind of reviews or what kind of videos you would like to see on my channel. Apart from that, I would be trying to bring videos on bikes, cars. It can be used cars, it can be new cars which are launching. So here and there, once in a week definitely there will be a vlog. So I hope to get some support from you guys. So definitely I will try to bring informational contents that would help you guys to pick the right product whenever you go and purchase something. And apart from that, I'd like to see some support from you guys. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.